Welcome to Trade Theta Options Trader. We'll recap today's close, look at the futures, and scan our ETF watch list to spot opportunity. Now it's Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving, everyone. No video was made yesterday. I'll say I've been slacking. It's just busy for the holidays, but I'm gonna get this done before the markets close for a half-day trading tomorrow. So the markets will be closed at 12 Eastern time in the afternoon, just to let you know. Now let's looking at how the markets were yesterday, November 23rd, Wednesday. The Dow was up to 19,100 and they rolled back to close at 19,083. The Nasdaq was down pretty much unchanged, and so was the S&P. Let's take a look at the futures. The futures are now on, and again, today is Thursday, November 27th. This is Eastern time. So happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Looks like the futures opened up around just about an hour ago, actually. And the ES and the majors are up about 1/4%. The ES with the S&P lagging. Everything else is up 1/4%. Bonds are down, so they just keep getting kicked. And the VIX is down 0.5%. Oil is down to $47.94, almost 48 flat. Natural gas made it to $3. Well, it is cold. Gold is 1182. Silver is at 16. Copper is still under $3. The Nikkei is at 1800, rolling down. The dollar is still strong, unbelievable. And the pound looks like it's getting pounded a little bit, down to 124. Let me go back to the natural gas at $3. Now I've been trading with triple leverage, and I'm not completely out of it, but I'm almost looking for an exit strategy now that we got profits, and I think the triple leverage has rolled up at least 20-25% because I've been taking in profits. It's like 13%. Give it to me, But it's gonna get cold warm next week. So a lot of mixed messages from natural gas. This is gonna be whether it's a cold or warm winter play. So just a thought there. I'll keep kicking that back and forth. Already into this 3 minutes, so we got 7 minutes left. Starting with crude oil, and I am negative delta on crude, so it looks like it's behaving. We'll know by November 30th what they say at OPEC where this price action will go. I'm almost wanting to be long a put, and wherever level it ends up being in November, I almost want to be long a put and long a call at the same time, because it's going to go either direction. It's one of those things you can't have a condor. You can't guess the highs or the lows. Just know the price isn't going to stay where it is, wherever it is. So that's my story with crude. Hey, I actually shorted on I bought DRIP, DRIP, which is a triple leverage bear oil and gas explorers. So it just made me a little bit shorter there. Here I just have a spread on saying that it's going to come down. But this is the oil and gas explorers, and the story at OPEC, I'm going to keep going back and forth with that. Is natural gas, and yeah, see, yesterday it did jump up to, it almost went up 3%, and it's on high volume. So this high volume node kind of like stabilizes this price. So if the price breaks, it stays above this, I almost just want to keep my long position, but since it's closing underneath it, it's pretty much anyone's guess. If it is going to get warm, we'll see this drop right back down. But in a little bit, I'd like to stay long natural gas for the winter time. Let's just say that. Gold, ouch. You see this low volume down here, and you can see the big high volume and escaping their gold position here. So this high volume is indicative of this action that happened in this area here. There was never a bounce from these price levels. So these price levels are pretty much diminished until it looks like we got a break above this to make another trend. But gold is never going to lose its value. It might drop off a little bit, and if you notice, it's extremely oversold. I like to get long gold again, or just say start building a gold position, because at 11.80 an ounce, you know, it went all the way down to like 10.80, so $1,000 less than what it is right now, before it rocketed up to the highs that we've seen at 1300. So going long gold, small positions, add on small positions. Same with the gold miners. Now I'm gonna start going a little quicker, because these, I don't like making more than 10 minutes, and 10 minutes is about how much I make my decisions. Silver, same thing, small volume, came down about 2%. Say we start building small industrials. Here we're short on the energy sector. Utilities, they broke below this trend line, so you know what that is. That's a sell. That's a sell. That's a short. It never made it up to here, so that's a good short there. And industrial sector, I mean, there's a lot of companies that came up, especially in the copper industry. So, you know, we're gonna see some profit taking pretty soon. I mean, the higher it goes up, the faster it comes down. This is the material sector, same thing, following this trend line. Healthcare was up a bit. Looks like a lot of action yesterday. The second half of the day, it went from 67 all the way back up to close at 69. So it looks like we just made this just completed a bottom. Still, it came right back into this apex, so there's no telling which direction it's going. It's more tending to go up, but it could come back down. It's not strong enough. Is retail, and retail is following this trend line nicely, and we're along retail. There's going to be a slow grind to the top. Home builders still following this steep trend line, so you break this channel before we start shorting them. There's going to be not enough money to keep building homes for nobody to buy, and I'm saying keep building homes for nobody to buy. And here's the retailers, still short there, let the holiday season pan out. Financials are short because they are bound to come down. The SPYs as well, pretty much all the majors. It's the Dow. NASDAQ looked like they were supposed to still hugging this trend line here. We'll see if it takes a bounce or just keeps coming down. The Russell, I thought I went through the Russell, but the Russell is one of probably one of the most hated ones of mine, because it keeps eking up little by little. Nobody liked it before, but I guess everybody wants to be in it now. And it was short and I got out of it. I don't think you know, the emerging markets have some policies to work out. Well, thanks for watching, Happy half-day trading tomorrow. Peace. Subscribe. Ask questions. Take care.